Well, today we are making a shrimp stir fry. It is such an easy recipe, just comes all in one pan. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is combine sauce ingredients together. We have some soy sauce, brown sugar, ginger, cornstarch, and some garlic, but details of the measurements are going to be down below. Want to just combine this together, mix it up, and set it aside. Here's the best way to cut up bell peppers for your stir fries for any of your recipes. I cut out the seeded part like this. You want to cut it into strips like this. You don't want it to be too thin because you still want a bit of that crunch. And nice strips of bell peppers look really nice in a stir fry. Everything moves really fast right now, so we basically preheat a wok with a little bit of oil. And this is why you want to have all the veggies pre-chopped. That way you can actually just keep cooking really fast. Once it's golden brown, you just want to set it aside. And then in the same pan, we are going to continue cooking our shrimp. Once the shrimp is pink like this, you don't want to overcook it. So this is when we dump in all the veggies back to. So we have our vegetables that we pre-cooked earlier. We're also going to add some green onions. Combine this together. Okay, and now it's sauce time. We're just going to sauce it up and cook it for a few more minutes. And we're done. That easy. Well, that's a wrap. It is just this easy. You can serve it over rice, noodles, your favorite other sides, and it reheats beautifully. So make this recipe, double it up, and you will love it.